The purpose of this tutorial is to show how to export a survey to SPS in order to make also a code book. So in Qualtrics, I will go to the data analysis and I will export this data to SPS. I will choose options and here I will 0, and then I will download the file. I did this process before, so I'm going now to my download folder. I have the file here. I will copy it and I will create another folder. In my desktop I will create here maybe a new folder, SPSS 2. And now I will open this survey in SPS. I have here the variables, all the information that I need. Now I will use display working file. And I think I am doing something wrong now. Oh yes, here it is, and this is the code book. And now I will have to print it as a PDF. But in order to have all these columns, I will have to change the page setup. I will choose 0.5 inches for the margin, so I can have in the same page all these columns. I want to be able to see in the same page, otherwise it will divide and will put, for instance, until alignment and in the page 2 print format, write format, etc. So now that I formatted the page, I will have to print, and I will use the Microsoft Print to PDF. I will put all visible output and I will print, and in this case I'll go to the new folder that I'm working on the video, and I will print a code book version or code book. Yes, it can be version 001, and here it goes. So it's printing and it's not finished. I will have to convert the book, otherwise every time a reader has access to it, it will be with this orientation, and if the person who receives this doesn't have this option or doesn't know how to rotate, it will have difficulties. So what I will do is that I will close this here and I will convert the file. I will edit it with a BYY. I will select all pages and then I will save as a PDF, and I will create the codebook version 2, and it's done. Now I have here the version tool. Let me just check it's how I want it. Okay, so I can close here. I can delete the version 1 of the file, and I can now rename to be the Codebook version 001. And this is how I create a codebook in an automatic way. And that's it. Thank you.